when you're dry brushing and you see somebody go like this and you're like, wait, am I doing it right? Is that the actual right order? Well, let's go over it. Instead of starting here and dragging and pulling the skin, we love to start at the neck for a few reasons. This is where the entire face is going to flow down to. Talking sculpting, depuffing, we're going to want to start here at the neck. I don't drag the brush, I do short, light strokes, and I do about 3 passes through on the neck. I move up right under the chin, one of my favorite areas because this is where stagnation likes to hang out. I do about 5 brushes under the chin, back to angle of jawline, then we're gonna take it down. Next, this part makes my skin so soft, so smooth, and helps with product absorption. I simply take my brush and brush from front to back along the cheek area, and then I'm always going to bring it back down where I started to help with that flow. Next, it's time to wake up the eyes. I'm using the outer tip of my brush and gently brushing outwards under my eye about 3 times through. That's enough for this delicate area. A common neglected area, our eyelid. I'm going to take the dry brush and brush outwards, hitting above, below, and on top of the eyebrow. After the eye is complete, I call this the relaxation button. I'm going to dry brush upwards about 5 to 10 times. Then I'm going to flip it horizontally and dry brush up on the forehead and even go over the eyebrow for a nice lift. And then upon my last brush, I'm going to bring it back down to where we started to encourage the flow.